What?
See that taco meat? Illusion. He ain't jump high. No jump high last year.
I'm still videotaping.
Huh?
I'm still videotaping. Maybe catch him.
You supposed to videotape. You supposed to take a picture.
What's that, man?
I could do a still shot.
Huh?
You supposed to do that right there.
I could do it. I could convert it.
Well, I'm in the air, right?
I could convert it.
She convert these nuts, man. Convert.
Okay, wait to show this video to mom.
Huh? Huh? Tape and stuff? Top is next, man. Catch him right there.
Is he gonna do a belly flop?
Belly flop?
Yeah,
You want a belly flop?
Go ahead, man.
What you doing, man? It's sad how I can't do nothing else.